Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get all three bundles, headless bundles on Roblox. First of all, go to in marketplace. Now you have to click on heads and then again head. Now click on filter and now go to in shorts and choose recently created and click on apply. Now you will see all the recent bundles here. So there are guys one bundle that gives you a headless look like this one, this whale head, this whale head. Also there is a bundle this frisbee. This bundle also gives you headless. Let me show you. As you can see, it gives you complete headless look. It was earlier for free, but now it is for 2 Robux. I have this bundle. Let me show you. So let's go to in customize. Go to head and body. I'm talking about this frisbee head. It was earlier free, but now it is for 2 Robux. If you want to get headless, you can try this out. Also have lots of bundles like wheel head, and this also gives you a headless look. This crash dummy head, it also gives you a headless look. And if you want to get, you can change its color to and match it to the hair color. And there are also various headless bundles. You try this one. Not this one is not giving a look. This is the eyeball bundles. And yeah, this one also gives us a headless look. This bone head, but it is right now for some Robux. And this head also gives you a headless look. If you change its skin tone, it will make your head headless. Let me show you. It also gives you a headless look.